To use a Wells Fargo autograph card, simply swipe it for purchases or add it as a payment method for online shopping. For in-person transactions, swipe the card in the machine and enter the required PIN to complete the purchase. When shopping online, navigate to the Payment Methods section and add the autograph card as a credit card option. Then enter the necessary information, such as the card number, and verify identity. The card can be used to make purchases and earn rewards, which can be redeemed for travel, gift cards, or purchases via PayPal, or applied as a statement credit to offset the card balance. Rewards can also be redeemed in $20 increments at a Wells Fargo ATM or debit card, or via direct deposit into a Wells Fargo checking account. To do this, log into the account online, scroll to the Rewards section, and select the desired redemption option. Using the Wells Fargo autograph card is a straightforward process, and redeeming rewards is just as easy.